If you want to set custom always on display clock or theme on the Samsung A37 5G, as you can see, I just put this picture and the time. So how you can do this? First of all, you have to unlock your phone and go into the Galaxy Store. Now you will have to search, by the way, go for applications right here, go for search and go for Good Lock application. Now open this one and we have to download this plugin Clock Face. We have to get it on our phone and we have to go for My Clock, click on the plus, and now first of all you will have to decide how big the clock will be. So we can do this by pinching like this, and here you can also change its font, size, and a lot of things actually. So for me like this, you can change the time format, the time theme, and also we can put some colors here, for example like this one. Now we have to click plus and we have to click to add image or GIF. Go to the gallery, pick your photo. Now we have to click here, and what you can do, you can also go for this clock and put it, for example, here. Yeah, like that. Now go for your photo, mark it here, and now we can pinch to make it much bigger, and also we can remove that background. So now it will look like this. There we go. So it will be like much bigger actually. And we have to click here on this icon. Now we have to mark it and set as default by clicking here. And now we have to go to the settings, into the lock screen and AOD, open always on display. Now we have to go into that option to show the lock screen clock. If you have a custom one, and now when you lock it, then take a look. Here we can find a custom AOD screen. Thank you so much for watching.